In this video, I'll show you how you can center your text or you can middle. In this video, I'll show you how you can center your text or how you can middle align it. First, what you want to do is you want to open up your Excel, and from in here, you should have some text. As you can see, all my text is on the left side. And if I want to center it, what I can do is select it, press on the center right here, and it will now center it. Now another thing you can do is if you select them and you choose the one above the center, which is middle align, it will then move exactly to the middle, and then you can center again. As you can see, it will move up and down a little bit from these. So if you want the middle align, this is the one. I can do it with Celsius as well. Center, middle, and it will be exactly in the middle. Now that's how you can do it in Excel, guys. It's super simple and super easy. There's not really much more to it. Now I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.